In today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Meta Business Suite not showing scheduled post. So here's a guide for your calendar and publishing fix. Fix 1. Switch from planner to content filters. Navigate to your main Meta Business Suite interface on a desktop browser. Click on the Content tab located in the left sidebar menu instead of relying entirely on the Visual Planner calendar view. Locate the internal status drop-down filters near the top of the interface and click on Scheduled. Check if your missing posts appear in this vertical list view. If they show a system error badge, click on the post and tap Publish Now to force upload it manually. Fix 2. Isolate browser cache and session bugs. Log completely out of your Facebook and Meta Business Suite profiles to kill invalid session tokens. Clear your web browser's cache and cookies to erase corrupted workspace data that forces the calendar script to freeze. Open a new incognito or private window or log in via an alternate web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge to rule out browser extension blockages. Access your Meta Business Suite mobile app on a smartphone to verify if the scheduled items show up on a different operating system. Fix 3. Reconnect your social media channel assets. Open your business settings and navigate to the Business Assets or Connected Accounts menu panel. Check your Instagram connection status. If your 60-day authorization token has expired, your post will fail silently in the background. Click Reconnect or reauthorize the profile credentials to relink your Facebook page and Instagram business account securely. Log directly into your native Instagram mobile app to check for any sudden identity verification or two-factor authentication prompt alerts the block cross-platform scheduling. Fix 4. Check media requirements and file validation. Inspect the file size and dimensions of the photo or video clips attached to your invisible queue entries. Ensure all video content is exported strictly in the MP4 or MOV format and does not exceed Meta's aspect ratio limit. Verify that images are formatted as a standard JPEG or PNG file as unsupported file. Layouts like WebP or HEIC cause scheduling systems to reject posts silently without generating error warning. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.